How to buy Robux in Roblox. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily purchase Robux in Roblox. So the very first thing you're gonna have to do is simply go and open up the Roblox application, and once you open it up, just make sure that you're logged into your account. So I'm already logged in here on my account. You basically have to tap on the option called Robux, which is represented by a small hexagon, or you could say the icon right between the search and the notification. And here it will show you your available Robux balance. If you have none, that's alright, you can easily purchase from their store. So here are some of the Robux packages offered by Roblox itself. So starting off with only 50 cents, it's you will get 40 Robux, and for $1 you're gonna get 80. So choose your preferred package and just tap on it to purchase. You could also subscribe and get more for $9.99, and you're gonna get 1,000 Robux per month for that price. Tap on the Robux that you want to purchase. Now they will pop out your Google Play's card, and if you already have a card you can just select it and then tap on this one, tap buy, and verify your code. So just tap on it, you'll be asked to verify, but I'm not going to do that right now, so you basically have to do that and you should be good to go. That's how you basically purchase Robux. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.